Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Tifa. Okay guys, so I'm about to install a 16-inch deep curly frontal wig, 13 by 6 to be exact. So guys, right here I'm cutting off the model's ear tabs. I will be doing it glueless, however I will be using gel and hairspray. Right here guys, I'm just cutting the lace off. Okay guys, so I already went and put a layer of gel, and right now I'm spraying my freeze spray, and right here I'm proceeding to lay the lace down. Again, I use gel and hairspray. Okay, right here guys, I'm seeing which way I'm gonna style the hair. I'm going with a side part. I'm taking a little bit of mousse so I can just shape the hair a little, make it a little easier. So right here guys, I'm just tweezing it a little. I don't tend to tweeze a whole lot because I feel like if you over tweeze it at the beginning, you won't be able to get as many uses out of your wig. But that's just my personal belief. So right here guys, I'm going to cut the back of the lace like so. Then I'm going to proceed to put some elastic in the front just to give it a nice melted look. Put a little heat on it. Take it off. Right here guys, I'm going to attempt to do some baby hairs. I'm using my Nairobi foaming setting foam. I also used a little bit of gel as well. Just putting some mousse around it. You don't want it to be hard. Now I'm putting the mousse on the actual edges. Now I'm going to tie that down with a satin scarf. Right here, I'm just putting a little heat to the part. And now I'm about to take the satin scarf off. Now that it's set, this is the outcome. So guys, right here, I'm just wetting the hair down. Right here, that's water. I also use water and conditioner and a curl cluster, yeah. And right here, I'm just taking my Ruby Kisses foundation just to define the part. So right here, I'm just taking a little powder just to camouflage anything that may looks a little harsh. Now this is pretty much it. If you like this video, I ask that you subscribe, like, comment, share. Guys, thanks for watching. Till next time.